Okay, hello. Today is Independence Day. Welcome to our channel again.
And now we're on our way to the National
Museum in Manila.
It's just us, me, Jules, and Julie at the front.
Julie.
So we're actually gonna have lunch first before we head out to the museum. So join us as we explore the history of the Philippines to the National Museum on this Independence Day, June 12th. It's a holiday.
So, dito na lang kami guys drive-thru ng lunch sa McDonald's.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
How much order? 2 pieces burger steak.
Okay.
The meal ba ba, no?
Medium Coke, medium fries.
Yes. Or large na po.
Large na po. Kasi hindi na natin. 100
Hi po, good afternoon po. Park na lang po sa may side. Serve na lang po yung order.
Can I ask for ice, kuya?
Sabay na lang po namin, ma'am. Thank you po. Side na lang po.
Tama. Papakin niyo po that.
Thank you so much. Sure ko.
Turn right.
Lalabas yung bulan ng ano tayo.
It's giving a apocalypse. Escolta.
Turn right.
Nandito na tayo sa National Museum of Fine Arts. This building was built in 1921 and originally served to house the various legislative bodies of the Philippine government.
Habang pila. Ayan.
the gift shop. Wow, self-portrait? Ah, oo nga no.
This arc was commissioned by the University of the Philippines Alumni Association and University President Rafael Palma. This one is a replica of the original model commissioned by Ambet Ocampo in 1989. Some of Tolentino's famous artworks are the Oblation of the University of the Philippines and the Bonifacio Monument in Caloocan. These are some of the annual exhibition awards of medals or honorable mentions to Guillermo Tolentino from 1910 to 1916. Sa lahat ng artworks, dito ako na-amaze. Ang galing, grabe. Parang 3D. Amazing talaga to.
Ito naman na napakalaking room. This used to be the Senate Session Hall. Makikita dito ang isang mahaba or malawak na mural painting na gawa ng national artist na si Carlos Botong Francisco. Ang pamagat ay Filipino Struggles Through History or also known as History of Manila. Ito palang room or dating Senate Session Hall ay dinisenyo ng American architect na si Ralph Doan in the same neoclassical style. So meron dito mga different statues na representing the law and lawmaking bodies in history.
Retired na. No.
Okay, done for the day. Ang ganda, di ba? So, ayan, the National Museum. That's our video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!